Samsung has just dropped the second beta of One UI 8.0 built on Android 16, exclusively for the Galaxy S25 series, and it's not just a round of typical bug fixes. While the official changelog highlights around 12 improvements, there's a lot more happening under the hood than Samsung is letting on. Among the exciting hidden features is one that could significantly boost communication accessibility: real-time text RTT. What is real-time text RTT in One UI 8? Discovered in the latest beta by Adem Karakachanov, RTT is a powerful accessibility feature that's now embedded in phone settings. It allows you to have live text conversations during a regular voice call. Yes, that means you can actually type messages in real time from the call screen while still being connected over audio. The moment you hit a key, the other person sees every letter appear as you type, almost like chatting over WhatsApp or iMessage, but directly integrated into the native calling interface. For those with hearing or speech impairments, or even in noisy environments where speaking might be difficult, this is a game changer. Key features of RTT on Galaxy S25. Real-time messaging during live phone calls. Simultaneous audio and text communication. Ability to mute microphone for text-only conversations. Requires 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi calling. Compatible with other RTT or TTY-enabled devices. Same billing as standard voice calls, subject to your carrier plan. You also get options like how to start RTT calls and use external TTY keyboard to make the feature even more inclusive for users with specialized hardware. The catch for now? Despite its potential, early testing shows that RTT isn't working reliably just yet, even when paired with other compatible One UI 8 or RTT-enabled devices. It's likely a minor glitch that Samsung will iron out in future updates, possibly in the next beta rollout or with the stable version of One UI 8.0. Why this matters? In a world increasingly driven by inclusive tech, RTT represents an important step forward. Samsung isn't just adding flashy AI-driven tools like Galaxy AI's text-to-image feature, it's also investing in meaningful digital accessibility that empowers every kind of user.